viewer, use the shapes here, make some designs. So let's have the shapes again. So we will take the designs. So here we have explore the more option. So we will try to make an attraction there. Use the pattern stem. With that, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that it is